Birthday party na siguro ang event na gustong-gusto kong kino-cover as a photographer. Bukod kasi sa may kainan at mas madali siyang i-cover lalo na kung simple birthday event lang, ang sarap lang isipin na you are capturing a significant time ng isang tao o ng isang pamilya. Everybody has a significant date to remember at yung araw kung saan ka ipinanganak, yung isa sa mga araw sa isang taon na dapat i-celebrate at ipagpasalamat kasama yung mga tao na importante at mahalaga sa'yo. Remembering the moment of celebration with a photograph is one of the best way to bring back the happy moment. Humahanga din ako sa mga tao na willing mag-hire ng photographer para sa isang birthday party. Regardless kahit gaano pa ka-simple yung event, may program man or simpleng kainan lang. Ang gusto lang talaga nila ay mapicturean mo yung mismong mga tao sa party at yung kasiyahan ng bawat isa. Sa isang birthday party, syempre ang pinakamahalaga dyan ay yung may birthday. Pero bukod sa may birthday at sa mga standard photos na essential sa program katulad ng mga group photos with the celebrant and other photo ops, ang pinakagusto ko talagang kinukuhaan ng picture ay yung mga elderly people na present sa event. Yung mga lolo at lola, tito at tita, sila yung mga objective na mapicturean ko ng maganda kapag nagko-cover ako ng birthday parties. Bukod syempre sa celebrant, ang bawat galaw at ngiti ng grandparents or parents, dun ako nakafocus. Birthday is a celebration kung kailan tayo ipinanganak. Moment in our lives that we celebrate kasi nadagdagan na naman tayo ng isang taon. And let's get real for a moment. Humans don't have unlimited birthdays. The moment we are born, our days are numbered. And the average human lifespan is 70 to 80 years lang. Tanggalin natin yung mga unforeseen na mga bagay na possible pumatay sa atin. 70 to 80 years old lang ang life expectancy ng tao ngayon. Given with our modern advancement in medicine, mapalad na din tayo kung tumanda tayo at umabot sa edad na yun lalo kung wala pa tayong nararamdaman na sakit-sakit or at least less yung maintenance na gamot na iniinom mo. Isipin nyo na lang yung effort na kailangang ibigay ng mga elderly people maka-attend lang ng isang birthday party. Kaya para sa akin, they deserve a good memorable moment preserved in a photograph. Hindi natin alam kung ilan pa ang happy birthday na maa-attend natin. Capturing happy memorable photos of our elderly loved ones in one of our significant event, kagaya ng birthdays, ay isa na siguro sa magandang bagay na pwedeng mangyari. Etong generation natin ngayon, sobrang accessible na yung mga photos sa lahat. Kasi lahat ng cellphone natin ay may camera. At hindi lang basta camera, maganda at very capable cameras. Capable of capturing good photos. Kaya nga kung gusto mong pumasok sa photography, sa smartphone photography, magandang magsimula. Sayang naman kasi yung accessible resources natin kung hindi natin magagamit. Kaya yung skill or yung knowledge sa photography is really a good thing to have. Regardless kung may photographer na sa party or wala, it's always good to capture good memorable photos in your devices. Syempre, huwag nyo lang harangan yung official photographer. I always believe na the best thing na pwedeng mangyari sa atin ay maging isang picture. Isang picture na alam nyo naman siguro na mas matagal pa ang buhay kesa sa life expectancy ng tao. Never underestimate the power of a photograph. Take a lot of picture. Preserve the happy moments. Hindi natin sure kung ilan pang happy birthday yung isi-celebrate natin kasi yung buhay ay parang life. Uncertain at puno ng uncertainties. Good memories are much better if captured in a photograph. A photo is just a photo, but as time goes by, you will realize that becoming a photo is really the best thing that could happen to anything, or in our case, to anyone. Happy birthday! So I guess that's it for me, guys. Thank you for watching Hate Photography TV at naway may natutunan kayo or at least I got you entertained. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe button to see more of my videos about photography and things that can be related to photography. And if you have questions, suggestions, or you have anything in mind, please let me know in the comment. Once again, my name is Hate and I will see you in the next video. Mabuhay!